Ductless mini splits are a beautiful thing. Now you can heat and cool your whole house or just a room more efficiently, more effectively, and more comfortably than ever before. As owner of an HVAC company in Duluth, I replaced all my traditional forced air equipment with a ductless mini split and watched our utility bill get cut in half. Do you know what this thing can do for you? It may seem like ductless heating and cooling is new, but actually, it's been around for years. The number one reason people go ductless is to save money. Ductless systems have super high efficiencies. Many homeowners report saving up to 50% on their utility bill. You may qualify for rebates and incentives. We'll help you find out. Truly, these things work everywhere. Find out how going ductless can help you save money, save energy, and increase your home comfort. Call 218-628-9276.